How many times have you heard about reading a book? Now, I've had the fortune of reading so many different books over the last 5 years, and that was just such a crazy change from the early parts of my life. I was born with a really bad learning disability where I wasn't supposed to read past the third grade level. I was put in all these special classes where they told me my brain was broken, totally the same kind of story that's in Limitless. And it's just crazy how people package you up and put you in a box, and then all of a sudden you hate reading, you hate learning, you hate all those different things. And it really holds you back from your success, right? So for me, I still can't read super great. We read way past the third grade level, but I'm still not the best at it. So how I end up reading most books through audiobooks. I have an Audibles account that I'm constantly pushing new books into my library and downloading them into me.